In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Zoom app. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications from this app, the best thing you can do is to go ahead and stop them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do to be able to stop these notifications permanently is to access the Zoom app information page. And to do this, it is quite simple. Just head over to settings. And I'll go here under settings, and from this scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using an Android, that is a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under this, look for this option called manage apps or all apps, and then this will go ahead and open or list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, go ahead and look for your app. And you can see Zoom app is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now you can see I'm on the app information page. Now this is where we shall do the settings. However, if you are finding it difficult to get to this page, then let me show you a shortcut method that you can as well use. Now for that, just go to your apps, and from the apps, just long press on it, and then you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, you can see it will take you back to the same page. Scroll down until you see this section called notifications. It is under permissions. So if I go ahead and tap on notifications, you can see all the notifications are turned on. To turn them off, you can either turn one by one here. Alternatively, you can turn all of them at once when you toggle off show notifications here. And as you can see, all notifications have been turned off. So that's how you permanently stop pop-up notifications from your Zoom app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.